there aren't that many projects out there doing it at that sort of level. And it's exciting for us to be involved in something like that. We are a rigging business here in Brisbane who specialise in, servicing, commissioning, rig installs and rig work. We were lucky enough to be involved with the Cure Custom 70 earlier this year. We were involved early on with the design not only of the rig, but the furler package that was involved with it. We sort of worked pretty closely with the Mast manufacturer at the time to come up with a really good package with that sort of sails and configuration that's going to work both short-handed and racing for what the Cure 70 wanted to do. It's been a really good project for both us and Cure Marine. We've been involved with Cure now for a year and a half with the Cure 55s. Yeah, we're pretty excited about what's coming up over the next sort of 6 to 12 months. Specifically, been working with the program with the furlers, the rope specs and those sorts of things. With our experience over the last sort of 5 or 6 years in developing and providing services and products specifically for a wide range of boats, but where we've been able to bring the experience to is having, I guess, an understanding of what high-end cruising boats and performance boats need. We have a big range of staff here. They've got a vast range of experience from race boats to cruising boats to those sorts of things. So we've been able to bring a lot of that sort of knowledge to what Cure Marine's trying to achieve with the 55s. With the advancement of products over the last 10, 15 years, carbon fibre has been more prominent in cruising boats more and more. Carbon fibre masts, carbon fibre sails. So with that, there's higher loads, higher spec requirements, not only of the deck hardware, but fittings associated with the rig like furlers and the ropes themselves. So we've worked pretty closely about the loads that are involved with what we're expecting to see on the Cure 55s to provide ropes, the furlers and those sorts of products that are gonna handle and outlive what the boats need to do. I think one of the most exciting things about the Cure 55 projects at the moment is that they've taken a lot from high-end technology that's out there through some of their 3D processes. They're making a boat that's carbon fibre with carbon fibre rigging and sails. There's not many people out there doing it at this sort of level or finish. So I think the experience that the Cure Marine guys have got in that sense is probably second to none in that sort of product. There aren't that many projects out there doing it at that sort of level. And it's exciting for us to be involved in something like that. There's nothing like it. We will be providing a lot of the rope package and running rigging package, which is all the rope work and splice work that we do here. So we have our own in-house team here that do our splicing. All our ropes are manufactured locally here on the Gold Coast by one of our suppliers. And that gives us a really good access to what covers we want to use, how we make up those covers, and more specifically, what cores we can put in those ropes. So being able to bring some of that high-end technology into the cores and ropes and covers that we supply is a good thing for a boat of this sort of spec that has full carbon fibre packages on them. They'll be specifically designed and put in place from the right diameters to suit the rig, the locks, the hardware that's on the boat, and of course we'll be involved in stepping and installing the Mast package when the time comes, when the boats launch later this year. So the Masts are a New Zealand built horsepower full carbon fibre package, made in 2 pieces and sent over from New Zealand. They'll be assembled here, joined, rigging commissioned, installed, and then stepped here locally in Brisbane and commissioned there. The masts have been specifically designed for the sail packages through with North Sails, the boat itself, and of course what Cure Marine's trying to achieve with their Cure 55s.